guys, so as I said that everywhere they have made this private space to sit. So finally sunrise हो गया है, बहुत अच्छा वाला sunrise. So sunrise हो गया है. Good morning everyone. Oh my god.
So ready for the first beach trip.
First day.
We are leaving our Spanish style resort.
Yeah.
Spanish style villas actually.
Villas.
So now we
Yeah.
are going to head to the beach which is at the behind because
That
we
one.
took the resort which was next to the beach and it's a
Yes.
very beautiful beach. We have seen the
Yes.
pictures already.
So today is the first day here and we are super excited to go to the beach. This is what I am wearing today. This is
We
what
all are matching.
Arun. Where is Kian? Kian already ran. Even Kian is matching. And so yeah, which is next to our resort and we will
Jandia beach.
Jandia beach. We are going now. We already had lunch and so after lunch we are going and
Kian.
we will be spending great time, I'm sure. And Kian, come here. He's there. Look at the flower. I love this flower here. And, Kian is here. He's playing. Kian, let's go. Let's fill the bottle before leaving from here. So I see the cactus everywhere.
Can I do it?
So from here, if you see behind this resort, you see the Rocky Mountain, okay, and then beach, sorry, and then this pool, and then full greenery here. It's lush green everywhere inside the resort, and then just here, if you walk for a minute, there is a beach. So this is the beauty of this island, and so. So this is the beauty of this island. देखो कितना प्यारा flower है, wow. After coming from beach, you have to clean your legs here. There is water, and then you can open the door to go to the beach. Okay. Hey, and then let's go here. So this is how it looks. Wow, just look at here. The palm trees behind, the rock mountain, the beach. Wow.
So today we are going to explore day one. We are not going to go anywhere else because we are tired from our previous day's flight also, right? In the evening we reached. So we decided that we'll go to the closest beach which is next to our resort. And then going forward, day by day, we'll start exploring a lot of other beaches which are nearby over here.
Yeah.
But this beach is also like really amazing. Look at the water. So here's the public toilet. It's free for use and you can take shower also after you come from beach. And this is how we are dressed up today. Kian is matching with mom, even I'm matching, and this is the way towards beach. And there's something very unique about this beach, that you can find these rocks over here you can use for making your private room.
Wow, really wanted to go and touch and feel the water of the beach and dip in the ocean. Kian don't want to wait a single minute, and he just want to go into the beach. Oh. Okay guys, so as I said that everywhere, in this here, you will see different, they have made this private space to sit. They made the circle of these rocks and this is really looking nice. So Kian took his own private space there and we are here. And now Arun wants to capture with the drone. Let's see what shot we get from the drone.
drone shoot done, photo shoot done. Now let's go and chill out in the beach.
Oh wow, this side we see so many squirrels and
Give
they
to
are coming to eat. So we have given them this small nuts, so they are eating.
To grab it.
Oh नहीं grab नहीं करना बेटा.
It's so cute and cuddly.
Oh, cute and cuddly they are. Wow. Hey. Let her come. Alright, now it's time to go back to the room because we have taken enough bath in the sea and we are now a bit tired and it's too much bright. All vitamin D consumed now into the body. And here it is. We feed the squirrel.
Yeah.
We feed. Kian saw 2 rats, 2
Yeah.
mouse.
And Kian found some stone also, lucky stone he says.
Yeah.
Then
Overall,
I break the stones.
yeah. It was a
Yeah,
time.
and I hope you
investment.
guys enjoy watching the video. Yeah, we will see you in another video. Until then,
We'll go to another location and we'll
Yes,
bring some more
next,
videos
yes.
to you. Okay.
yeah.
Till then, see you.
Bye.